Hey guys, it's MandaPanda and a happy belated Easter to everyone that observes the holiday. I thought it would be so cool to do a video showing you guys what I got in my Easter basket. So I got this really cute Finding Dory Easter basket from my mom, and I'm hanging out with the latest fan custom Friday pony before I ship her off. I got this from my aunt, and I got this really cool Five Nights at Freddy's set from my sister. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I have been so patient and I haven't peeked inside any of this. I don't know what's in here. I got it on Sunday and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to make a video and share what I got with all of my subscribers. So let's start off with this one. It is like a little egg carton. It is so adorable. I love it. I've actually used these egg cartons before. I used them for some soap eggs I made once. So this is really cool. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Let's see what could possibly be in here. And I got this from my aunt. And let's see what's inside. It's a... oh my gosh, it is like an entire carton of My Little Pony blind bags. It looks like there's 6, so I got a 6-pack of My Little Pony blind bags. Super cool. Let's open them up and see which ponies I get. Alrighty, blind bag number 1. Let's see who's hiding inside. It is... ooh, it's a Crystal Pony Electric Sky. Oh, really cool. And her cutie mark are little tiny light bulbs. Oh, I love these crystal ponies. Awesome. And let's see who's in blind bag number 2. It is... ooh, I see something pink. Is it a Pinkie Pie? It is. It's a Crystal Pinkie Pie. Oh, that is so awesome. I have a Crystal Pinkie Pie, but I don't have the one where it's fully crystal. So that is so awesome. Really, really neat. Let's see. Blind bag number 3. And who's hiding inside? It is Sassaflash. Ooh, I love the color of this one. A really, really pretty, like emerald green with a tint of blue. Gorgeous. And these are all of the crystal ponies. So my favorite minis are the glitter ones, and then my second favorite are these like see-through crystal ponies. Really cool. Let's see who's inside this 4th bag. It is Berry Green. Really cool. And you can see her cutie mark is a bunch of grapes. That's really cool. It reminds me of that fan custom Friday I did of juicy grapes. Really, really pretty. So that's so cool because there's no dupes in here. That's awesome. And let's see, number 5, it is Perfect Pie. And she's not a crystal pony, but she's still really pretty. And I don't think I have this one, so I'm going to add it to my collection. And the 6th and final My Little Pony blind bag from the egg carton is... ooh, I hope it's Twilight Sparkle. It is... who is this? Beach Berry. Ooh, really, really cool. These would look really cool with like glitter in their hair. Awesome. There they all are. No dupes. Really cool. I don't think I have any of these, so I'm going to add them all to my Little Pony mini figure collection. Let's see what's inside the Five Nights at Freddy's blind box that I got from my sister. This is so cool. And I got a plush Mr. Cupcake. Isn't he so cute? And the eyes are embroidered. They're not like a little hard eye. So the entire thing is really plush. And this is so adorable. I absolutely love Mr. Cupcakes from Five Nights at Freddy's. And let's see, what do we have here? It is a Five Nights at Freddy's Mystery Minis. And here's all the ones I could possibly get. Let's see. This toy Chica one would be really awesome. So let's open it up and see which mystery mini is hiding on the inside. I had a really good Easter. I spent it at the park and at the zoo, having a barbecue with my family. So if you celebrate Easter, what did you do? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you got an Easter basket, what was your favorite thing that you got? I would love to know. And let's open this up and see the mystery mini. It is in a little baggie. It feels like let's see, I don't know, I think maybe it's a Foxy. It is a Foxy. I felt his ears and I could kind of feel how they were triangular. Oh, really cool. That is so awesome. Look at all of the detail to this mystery mini figure. That is so cool. It even has silver so you can see his insides, his little eye patch, all the detail in his pants from where they're withered. That is awesome. Super cool. I didn't get one of like the ultra rare ones from the back. I really wanted that really creepy toy Chica, but that's okay. This one is still really cool. Now I'm gonna open this really massive basket that I got from my mom. It is so tall, it doesn't even fit in the frame. I'm gonna lay it down and then pull the stuff out. Get this little knot cut off. And the first thing right on top is a posable Fluttershy figurine. I love these because they are perfect for making the Five Nights at Freddy's custom, because they already have like the little joints just like the animatronics. And I actually do not have this one. I had one and I used it to make Chica a long time ago, so I don't have another one. So that's really cool. Thank you to my mom. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this looks yummy. A Despicable Me marshmallow pop vanilla flavored. Oh, that seems like it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna definitely have to snack on this later. Let's see what else is inside. Ooh, this is a really pretty egg. So it's a plastic egg. Oh, I can't hear anything. Okay, let's see what's inside. It is, ooh, a Super Mario blind bag collector rings. Oh, cool. It's a ring. That is awesome. I never even seen these at the stores. And let's see which ring we get. Ooh, it is a 1-up. How awesome is this? I wonder if this is like a rare one or not. It doesn't say. They're probably, oh, rare ring, I guess, is the Boo. So I didn't get a rare one, but this one is really cool. So let's see. Does it even fit me? Oh yeah, it totally does. Whoa, that ring is massive. It is like really tall. Check it out. And that is super cool. Awesome. Let's keep looking. What is this? Ooh, one of my favorite candies is cotton candy, and this one is grape flavored. Cool. This is like one of my favorite candies. If I had to choose one, well, I like Almond Joys, but I really like cotton candy. Let's see what else is in here. It's another one of these eggs, but this one is like blue and green, and the other one was yellow. What's inside? It is a, what is this? It's a, ooh, another Super Mario Tommy figurine. So this one's a figurine. It's not a ring, although the rings are super awesome. Let's open it up and see what's inside. let's see what we get. How does this open? Oh, it just pulls up. Ooh, that's kind of a cool capsule. Let's open it up. And it is, oh, cool. It's another mushroom. What does it do? So this is one of the super mushrooms. It's not the one up. And it has this, but I don't know. Oh! Is mine broken? Oh no, it's a light. Is it? No, yeah, it is. See, it's turning on. Okay, so I turned off the lights, and I don't know if this is gonna come out on camera, but this is really cool. So the little mushroom has a little picture on the inside, and it is a little tiny picture of Mario and Luigi in their little flying squirrel costumes, but it shows up better in all dark, and it is light outside, and I can't get the room any darker than this, but that's what it does. Super cool. Alright, let's see what else is in the Easter basket. Crossy Road. I get addicted to this game, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to stop, and then I start playing again. This game is so much fun. Do you play Crossy Road? And if you don't, what phone games do you play? Because I'm addicted to this one. It is really, really fun. Let's see which little clip I get. There's 11 different ones to collect. Oh, and I actually got the Crossy Road chicken. Awesome. This is the main character from the app, and that is the little one that I got. That is so cool. I love it. Love it. I can put this on my backpack. That's pretty cool. Awesome. What are the chances of me getting like the best one, the actual chicken? Let's see what else is hiding in this massive basket from my mom. Another phone game that I get addicted to, Slither.io or Slitherio. I don't really know how it's pronounced. Is it Slither.io? Is it Slitherio? You say it all together. Not sure, but this game is addicting. You're like a little worm, and you have to eat all the little light, and then you can eat the other worms. I don't know, it's just really cool. And let's see which one I get. I would love, love, love to get the rainbow one, or the purple one, or the green one. And let's see. Oh, there's some rare ones, and the ultra rare one is the all white one with orange eyes. So let's see which one I get. It is, ooh, it kind of looks like a bumblebee. And this is just a regular one. It's not rare or ultra rare. That is really cool. I don't play with this particular one. Whenever I play, I always pick the rainbow one. I think it's the coolest one of all of the little worms that you can choose from. So let's see what else is in the Easter basket. Oh, one more little Easter egg. And this one's pink. So I got a yellow one, a blue one, and a pink one. And inside, ooh, some Starburst jelly beans. I love these things. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna have to eat those after I finish filming. And let's see what else inside. Oh, a little chocolate bunny. Those are cool. Those are probably in like everybody's Easter basket. And let's see. Oh, next is just like everything stuck together. Ooh, and finally I'm getting to all of the Dory stuff. It is kind of like all taped up, so I'm having to carefully remove it because I accidentally kind of pulled this one up with all the tape, but that's okay. So this is really cool. It's a 15-piece Dory puzzle. That is really cool. I'm gonna have to put that together, and I like to save my puzzles by putting that puzzle glue on top. I just think that that's always really fun to keep them, and then you can hang them up on the walls. Ooh, bubbles! Check that out. I got some Dory bubbles with Hank hanging out right there on the front. Pretty cool. It's in the shape of a shell. I love it. Super cool. Awesome. Man, I've been wanting to make Hank into a pony, but oh, I don't know how I would do his tentacles. Let's see what else. Ooh, a Dory coloring book. That is really cool. We got Dory and Nemo on the front. So that is really cool. Got Bailey. That is oh, the little otters. Adorable. Destiny. Dory, Hank. That is really cool, and it comes with the crayons for me to color that in. Oh, cool, I missed this. Another Slithario blind bag. Maybe I'll finally get that rainbow one I wanted earlier. And inside is, ooh, the red and purple one. Again, not a rare or ultra rare, but this one's really cool. No rainbow one, but that's okay. These are really cute. Look at his little smiley face. Adorable. And let's see. Oh, this is really stuck in there. Oh, okay. And then this says Dory stickers and rhinestones. So those are really pretty. Some rhinestones and the stickers. Oh, you know what? They're probably inside. That makes sense. Yes. Ooh, that is actually a really high quality picture. Look at all that detail on Hank. Oh, really cool. I love it. Put that to the side. And the last thing in my Easter basket is some Finding Dory jelly beans. I wonder, no, I don't think they are, but it'd be cool if they were all blue and yellow, just like Dory, but I think that they are like rainbow colored. Let's check it out. Oh, it's 2 bags. Cool. So I got 2 bags of jelly beans. So this is everything I got for Easter this year. Out of everything, my favorite item was definitely the Mr. Cupcake plushie. I mean, it is just so adorable. It is so cute. And of course, I love all of the mystery mini figures because I collect them all. And that's it for today's video. If you celebrate Easter, I hope that you had an awesome Sunday with your family and friends. What was your favorite thing that you got in your Easter basket? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, Little Pandas. Until next time, bye! You can follow me online to get the latest news and updates. Like my Facebook page, facebook.com/MandaPanda Toy Collector, or follow me on Instagram at MandaPanda Toy Collector. Want to mail me something? Guess what? You can. Mail it to MandaPanda P.O. Box 2855, Humble, Texas 77347.